Comedy, movies that are funny and make you laugh. Musical, movies that tell stories through songs and dances. Action, serious movies that show real life situations. Drama, movies about real life problems and emotions. Sci-fi, movies about the future, space, and technology. Romance, movies about love stories and relationships. Adventure, movies about exciting journeys and quests. Horror, movies that are scary, creepy, and shocking. Fantasy, movies with magic and imaginary worlds. Animated, movies with cartoon characters. Thriller, exciting movies with danger and surprises. Western, movies about cowboys and Wild West.